We took into consideration factors like breathability, lens quality, and comfort when trying to find the best ski goggles in this video. That will help to buy your best ski goggles. Let's dive into the video. Number 1. OutdoorMaster Ski Goggles PRO. Skiing has an incredibly high financial barrier of entry. Between the boots, the skis, the bindings, and outerwear, the last thing you need is to spend a few $100s on a pair of goggles. The large spherical, frameless lens provides a truly unobstructed and clear view of the slopes. Designed for ultimate performance and comfort. Swap for day, night, and different weather conditions. Choose among 20+ different lenses. The Ski Goggles PRO features an OTG design that lets you wear your glasses under the goggles. All lenses are anti-fog coated and offer 100% UV 400 protection. Number 2. ZIONOR X Ski Goggles. These X goggles are oversized, wide-view goggles that can fit over prescription glasses if needed. They share the look and some of the features of higher-end options. Panoramic design ski goggles with optimized anti-fog and UV protection treatment for crystal and wide view when skiing and snowboarding. Like bigger brands, ZIONOR offers many color options for both frame and lens. While you only get one lens with each pair of goggles, additional or replacement lenses are thankfully very affordable as well. All ZIONOR snow goggles are designed for both men and women. Number 3. Oakley Flight Deck Ski Goggles. Inspired by the helmet visors of fighter pilots, Oakley Flight Deck maximizes your field of view so you won't miss a single target of opportunity. Peripheral and downward vision are wide open for spotting challenges and dangers, and the interchangeable lens system lets you adapt to whatever the sky dishes out. The rimless design has wide-ranging helmet compatibility, plus the comfort of minimized frame mass, and these snow goggles meet the ANSI Z87.1 standard for impact resistance. Prism lenses provide unprecedented control of light transmission, resulting in colors precisely tuned to maximize contrast and enhance visibility. Number 4. Oakley Flight Deck XM Goggles. Fit is essential for all-day comfort. So if you have a larger face and want a maximum field of view, it's worth buying these Flight Deck XM goggles from Oakley. With a design inspired by fighter pilot helmet visors, these goggles also boast a triple-layer polar fleece lining that's comfortable and wicks moisture. Increases visibility and helmet compatibility while offering 100% protection against harmful UVA, UVB, UVC, and blue light up to 40 nanometers. As with most high-end Oakley goggles, new prism lens tech is available that maximizes contrast and clarity in a wider range of light conditions. Number 5. Smith ZIONOR Snow Goggles. Welcome to the world of optical clarity with the Smith ZIONOR goggles, featuring a magnetic lens connection that locks into place and releases with the push of a lever. Injection mold with tapered lens technology for optical precision and a high level of protection. Smith spherical lenses are offered exclusively in carbonic X material for optimum impact and scratch resistance, increased visual acuity, and enhanced contrast. The most advanced anti-fog lens ever created, engineered to provide over 5 times the absorptive properties of anything on the market.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.